In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Google Calendar. Adding contacts directly from Google Calendar is a simple way to save time and keep your events organized. Instead of jumping between different apps, you can create and store contact details right while you're scheduling meetings, classes, or reminders. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each step slowly and clearly, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Once your calendar loads, look towards the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical panel with several icons. Among these, find the small person-shaped icon. This icon opens the Contacts panel. Go ahead and click that person icon, and a side panel will slide out from the right. When the Contacts panel appears, you'll see an option that says Create Contact. This is what you'll use to add someone new. Click on Create Contact and a form will pop up where you can enter information about the person you're adding. Now, you'll want to fill in the details for your new contact. Start with the basics, their name and email address. These are the most important fields, especially if you plan to invite them to events or send calendar invitations. You can also add other information like a phone number, their organization, job title, or any notes that will help you remember who they are and how you work with them. Take a moment to type in as much information as you think you'll need later. Being a bit thorough now can make scheduling and communication easier in the future. As you're filling out the details, you can double check for spelling or typos, particularly in the email address, as that's what Google Calendar uses to send event invitations. You don't have to complete every field, just focus on what's useful for you. If you ever need to update this information, you can come back and edit the contact later. Once you're happy with the information you've entered, look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the contact form. Click on Save to finish creating the contact. After a moment, your new contact will be stored and available whenever you create or edit events in Google Calendar. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a contact using Google Calendar, making it easier to invite the right people to your events in the future.